Manicaland revives Mnangagwa 2030 agenda. The 12th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Mutare, ZANU-PF's Manicaland provincial leadership has reignited the controversial ED 2030 agenda, openly calling for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to remain in power beyond current constitutional limits. The move comes amid intensifying succession battles inside ZANU-PF ahead of the party's 22nd National People's Conference in October, where rival factions are expected to jostle for dominance. Succession tensions resurface. ZANU-PF has long been divided between Mnangagwa loyalists and those aligned with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who is widely seen as harboring presidential ambitions. In the past 2 weeks, Manicaland party structures met and adopted 2 resolutions. 1. Extending Mnangagwa's tenure beyond 2030 through constitutional amendments. 2. Taking a hardline stance on drug and substance abuse. Provincial Chairperson Tawanda Mukadza defended the resolutions as grassroots-driven. The people desire that President Mnangagwa remains in office beyond 2030 and are calling for the necessary constitutional amendments to facilitate this. As a party, we must respect the will of the people, party insiders say, while Mnangagwa's supporters are pushing for constitutional changes. Critics warn the move risks repeating the mistakes of the past. The 2017 succession crisis, which led to the dramatic ouster of Robert Mugabe, still looms large as a reminder of how leadership disputes can destabilize ZANU-PF. Some argue that attempts to block internal renewal could deepen factional rifts rather than strengthen party unity. Despite the logistical readiness, the political undertones are unmistakable. Manicaland's endorsement of the ED 2030 agenda is more than symbolic loyalty. It is a calculated intervention in the party's succession war. The key question now: will other provinces fall in line behind Mnangagwa's extended rule push? Or will factional rivalries re-emerge in Mutare and threaten to split the party once more?